In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list with Outlook. This is a handy tool, especially when you need to email a specific group of people regularly, like a project team, a club, or a community organization. It's important to note that what used to be called a distribution list is now referred to as a contact group in the new Outlook. So keep that in mind as we walk through the process. Start by going to the Microsoft Outlook page in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your login details, so type in your email address and password on the Sign In page. Once you have those details entered, click on the Next button to proceed. You'll now find yourself on your Outlook dashboard, which is the main hub where all your emails and organizational tools are accessible. On the Outlook dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled People. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the section where you can manage your contacts and groups. Once you're in the People section, you'll want to navigate to the Groups area. This is where the magic of creating contact groups or distribution lists happens. Next, look for the down arrow situated beside the New Mail button. By clicking this, you will have the option to select New Group. Go ahead and click on New Group, and you'll be prompted to set a name for your group. This name should be something identifiable that makes sense for the type of emails you'll be sending to this group. Once you've entered a suitable name, it's time to create and add contacts. Now you can start adding contacts to your group. You may want to have a list of their email addresses handy to streamline the process. Adding contacts can usually be done either by selecting them directly from your existing contacts list in Outlook or by manually entering their email addresses. Take your time here to ensure you're capturing everyone you want in the group. Once all your contacts are added, review the group to make sure everything looks correct. And just like that, you've created a distribution list or contact group in Outlook. You now have an efficient way to reach out to multiple recipients with a single email, saving time and reducing the chance of missing someone out. This makes communication much more streamlined and efficient, helping you to stay organized and connected with your desired audience effortlessly. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one.